Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. So, somebody asked me, is it legal to take X-rated photos of someone if they give permission? Okay, that's lots of fun. Can you take X-rated pictures of someone if they give you permission? Okay. I have a couple of follow-up questions. First would be to verify, is the person you want to take photos of an adult? Because if it's a minor, that's, child porn, so no. But if we're talking about consenting adults, that's plausible. The other question I would have is this somebody who is capable of giving permission in the moment? So, if somebody's under the influence of drugs or alcohol, or any other type of mind-altering medication, they probably can't give consent. If it's somebody who is, has some kind of mental handicap, I would wonder if they have been deemed to be someone who can't make decisions like this, because this is really, getting into like the realm of, could this person sign a contract on behalf of themselves? And if you're not in the right mindset, if you're under the influence, if you don't have the mental capacity to give consent, then asking their permission at that time isn't going to make what you want to do okay. So let's say we're going with a situation where we have, consenting adults, and anybody else around is an adult, and we're not creating a harmful environment for anyone else. And they are not under the influence, and they can give consent. That is a situation where it might be okay to take intimate photos, and it's not against the law. Now, what you do with those photos afterwards could be problematic, but if we're just talking about somebody who wants photos for, personal enjoyment, personal use, someone, a person has come to a photographer and says, I want to do, boudoir photos, but I also want to take more than boudoir and go beyond that. That may be perfectly okay. So, but you have to look at the details of the situation, what other laws may apply to your situation. I'm doing this based on, U.S. law. If you're out of country, may be a different issue. And again, what you do with the images once they're created may be problematic, even if the act of taking the images themselves is legal. So you got to look at the gestalt of the situation to determine what is and is not permissible for you. So I hope this somewhat answered your question or gave you at least a starting point to do your own research. Of course, all these questions have to be evaluated based on the details of your situation. Watching this video is not legal advice, nor should be interpreted as such, nor does it create an attorney-client relationship with any person. So if you need legal advice, go hire a lawyer. That's all I have for now. I hope this has been helpful for you. Please subscribe to the channel as I put out new content every week. And until then, I will catch up with you later. Take care.